Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. I want to apologize for not putting out a video for the last 2 weeks. I was under the weather for a bit, life happened, but I'm back again. I promise I'll try to make sure I put out these videos every week. But right now, we're going to be talking about the Redragon LAMIA 2 H320. Let's go. When it comes to budget gaming products, very few brands can actually say they've done it better. And by better, I mean affordable prices, good build, and quality sound production. Redragon is one of such brands. Today we are going to be discussing the Redragon H320 LAMIA 2 Gaming Headset. It comes in black and white, it weighs 643 grams, and it comes with a stand. You can use it on your PC, PS3, and PS4. Let's crack it open and move it along. Are you ready? Let's go. The headband is made of two parts, metal frame and the leather strap. The metal sheet acts as frame for the headset, makes it look and feel sturdy. It is strong and can withstand a little rough handling. The leather strap, which is PU leather by the way, touches your head directly when you put it on. It is very comfortable. It has spring stretch hinges on the sides and is quite wide, so most head sizes would fit. It all ends with a semicircle hinge around the ear cup. The build quality of the headset is great. The ear cups are large and should fit comfortably around your ears. I love the aesthetics, simple and not too flashy. The RGB lights and the dragon insignia in the middle of it, very catchy. The earmuffs are made with foam wrapped with PU leather. It is soft and somewhat breathable, so it is not uncomfortable. The sound from the headset is decent, not spectacular, but decent. I don't think it's got a 7.1 surround sound feature though. To me, it just sounded like a 2.0. Besides that, the sound from the speakers, very decent. The mic is a short, non-detachable adjustable boom on the left ear cup. It is very flexible, so you can bring it really close to your mouth, which is probably a good thing considering the performance of the mic. To me, the mic's volume is a little bit on the low side. The people you're talking to will hear you alright, but I wish it was louder. Well, this is what it sounds like. Howzit T.O.B family, this is the mic test of the Redragon LAMIA 2 H320. Like I said earlier on, I wish the mic sounded louder than this, but if you can hear me, this is what it sounds like. As you're watching this, remember to click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Let us continue. Controls for this headset include the volume scroll and the mic on and off button. I suppose you won't need a lot of options regarding the controls considering the price and the simplicity of the design. One option I would have loved though would have been a button to turn on and off the RGB lights. The audio cable is quite long and it ends with a USB connector. No 3.5mm connectors, so you would need to connect this to your console. It is compatible with PC, PS3 and PS4. The headset works with the Redragon software, but in my opinion it is practically useless, so don't bother with the software. The headset is great without it. So in summary, the Redragon H320 LAMIA 2 is a great headset. Comfortable, decent sound, I love the aesthetics, and for the price, this is a steal. Only thing I can criticize is the volume of the mic, but I still think it deserves the T.O.B stamp of approval. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up anyways. You're not hurting anybody. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. If you watch these videos every week and you're not subscribed yet, do the right thing. Click on the subscription button. I'll be looking out for your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And until next time, take care.